How to create a YouTube channel in 3 easy steps. Hi guys, I'm Abdul Alim and you're watching BFacts. Before you start, be sure you have subscribed to my channel and you have a Google account. If you have a Google account, you can watch, share and comment on YouTube content. However, Google account does not automatically create YouTube channels. Getting new YouTube channel set up is easy and quick process. Step 1. Go to YouTube and sign in. Head over youtube.com and click sign in top right corner of the page. Then log in using Google account you would like to channel to be associated with. Step 2. Head over to your YouTube settings. In the top right corner of the screen, click on profile icon and then the settings icon. Step 3. Create your channel. Under your settings, you will see the option to create a channel. Click on this link. Next, you will have the option to create a personal channel or create a channel using a business or other names. For example, we will choose the business option. Now, it's time to name your YouTube channel and select a category. The channel option available include product or brand, company, institute or organization, arts, entertainment or sports, and others. Note, a new Google Plus page will also be created for your brand. Congrats, you have just created a new YouTube channel. Next, let's fill up the all information and create some channel art to get your page looking awesome. If you don't already have a Google account set up, you will need to create one before you get started on YouTube. To do this, simply follow the following steps. Step 1. Head to youtube.com. Step 2. Click sign in. Step 3. Now choose the option to create a Google account. Step 4. Follow the steps to create your Google account. Now you're all set up with a Google account and can follow the above steps to create your YouTube channel. Thank you.